The verdict is in for Jonah Levi, the former Mid-State Correction Officer, acquitted of murder, but found guilty on all other counts, including manslaughter in the deadly beating of inmate Messiah Nantwi.
News Channel 9's Lindsay Peters has been covering the trial since it started last week. She was in Oneida County Court when the verdict was read.
Just after midday, the verdict came down. Jonah Levi not guilty of murder in the second degree, but guilty on all remaining counts, including manslaughter in the death of inmate Messiah Nantwi and trying to cover up the crime.
Very fair verdict. Very happy with the verdict. It would reflect the seriousness of the conduct. I think Messiah is the forgotten man here, you know. We didn't have him on videotape. And that's really despicable, isn't it? And everybody there, almost to a man, intentionally concealed their body-worn cameras or didn't even put them on.
As to the second count, manslaughter in the first degree, what's the jury's verdict?
Those convictions include manslaughter in the first degree, gang assault in the first and second degree, conspiracy, and filing a false instrument.
So watching them actually get held accountable for their actions, just like me, you, or anyone else, it's a sense of relief, and I believe change is definitely coming.
Advocates say the verdict is a step toward accountability.
I feel like it has been swept under the rug for a long time, and that's what makes it hard for incarcerated individuals to complain because no one believes them. Initially, they believe the CO first.
Levi now faces up to 25 years in prison as prosecutors prepare for their next case.
I'm glad it worked out the way it did, and I would be very remiss if I didn't thank the 12 outstanding people from Oneida County who deliberated this case. I have no quarrel with their verdict whatsoever, even though they didn't see it my way on the top charge.
And Fitzpatrick expressing why his work is so important.
You know, I've been doing it for 45 years. You talk to people and they look at you and they say, you know, you're the guy that's going to make this right. You know, we want justice too.
Prosecutors say they are working to pass a law for Messiah Nantwi and Robert Brooks to make sure that this never happens again. In Utica, Lindsay Peters, News Channel 9.
Nantwi's father releasing a statement following today's verdict, saying in part, quote, "This verdict sets an important precedent. No one should have to fear losing their life at the hands of those who are supposed to be caring for them."
Download the WSYR Plus app on your TV to stream News Channel 9 for free. Just go to your smart TV, search WSYR Plus in the App Store, and download to start streaming today.